Just in case if you guys are wondering, this is a table that I am building, I'm working on. So this is the final stages of it. I am polishing, and once the polish is done, after that I have metal legs that I will add onto this table. After that, the process is finished. I am so looking forward to it. This is my first time doing this polish. Before I started doing this polish, it was a little hazy. So this is my first attempt to do this, and so far it looks amazing. All right. Hi, Richard Garcia. Thank you very much, Richard. I appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it. It helps me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. So thank you very much, guys, everybody who has joined. I appreciate your support.